Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is 16-inch and 2021. You can see the chip is the M1 Pro and the RAM is 16 gigabytes and also the storage is 512 gigabytes. And you can see the battery cycle count 46 and the battery capacity is 100%. And you can see the graphics 16 cores and 16 cores and the CPU is 10 core, 8 performance cores and 2 efficiency cores. And you can see this is space gray, the color. You can see the keyboard, no scratches. The trackpad, no problem. The trackpad function is normal, no problem. And no problem. The trackpad, and let me show you the logo surface. You can see the logo, a little scratch, and little scratch here, and you can see no problem. The surface, okay, no problem. Okay, the 2021 16-inch M1 Pro and the 16 gigabyte RAM and 512 gigabyte storage. And you can see the back. The back, no problem, no scratches. And here, you can see here, slight scratch. You can see. Okay, here, no problem. No problem. A beautiful machine. Like overall, a beautiful machine. And let me show you the charging port. Okay, 15-inch, super heavy. You can see the charging ports, no problem, and no scratches, no dents. You can see the corner, no problem. Let me show you this edge. You can see this edge, no problem. And let me show you the other side. Okay, no problem. Okay, this edge. Let me show you this edge. Okay, no problem. And let me show you the 16-inch display. Let me show you the 16-inch display quality. You can see I changed the wallpaper. I changed the wallpaper and the gray color. Okay, you can see the space gray, the gray color. You can see no problem, no bright spots, no dark spots. Here, it's not a dust. Okay, don't worry. And let me change another color, a bright gray. Okay, also no problem, no problem. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. You can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, no problem. The beautiful screen. Okay, the keyboard also no problem. The backlights no problem. And okay. Okay. If you want to know more information, you can subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.